What's going on, guys? I'm here with Jen. We just did well, I wouldn't say a small repair, but a repair on her home. What we did was we actually helped her with her ventilation that blew off. She had ridge vent, you had solar powered vents and ridge vent, and then you had a small leak here that we took care of. And we were talking yesterday, and she shared with me some awesome news. So why don't you tell us a little bit about what happened after we did our repair and improved your ventilation on the home?
Well, with CPS doing their peak energy demand days, we went from being 12th out of 100 houses to now 5th.
Number 5. Wow, that's incredible. 100 houses, you're performing 5th. And I mean, it just goes to show you something as simple as making sure that you have adequate ventilation. Since then, you've also done some other things. You've added some soffit vents,
yes,
and then those awesome solar vents that you did. So shout out to, yeah, she's gonna start an Etsy store here soon. Solar customization screens for your home. But guys, it's just some small little things. We also maintenance the roof, making sure and giving it a good once over. This is something that's gonna buy you basically some time when it comes to needing to replace the roof. Now you have some good years on it, yeah. And now you know if you ever need anything with the roof, who to call.
Absolutely.
All right, guys. So if you're having some problem with your ventilation, or you just want to know what we can do to help you with your beautiful home, just like we helped Jen here, we'd love to help you. Give us a call, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, Jen, so much.
Thanks.
All righty. That's it. Easy peasy. So,